Firstly, let's take chicken. Here I took around half kg. You can choose the quantity accordingly. Now let's add lemon juice squeezed out of 1 lemon, half teaspoon of turmeric and 3 tablespoons of curd or yogurt. And let's mix these and marinate the chicken really well. Once the marination is done, let it sit for 30 minutes to 1 hour. If keeping it for more than 1 hour, place it in the refrigerator. Meanwhile, let's prepare the masala paste. For that we need 8 to 10 red chili, 2 teaspoons of peppercorns, 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Now heat a pan and add all the spices. Now let's fry these spices. Keep stirring it in between so that they won't burn. Fry them until they turn golden brown. Now the spices are fried well, so let's transfer them to a plate and let them cool down. Once it's cool, let's transfer these to the blender. Let's add 4 to 5 garlic and tamarind water made out of half lemon-sized tamarind. Let's finely blend this. So our masala paste is ready, so let's keep it aside. Let's start the main process by adding 3 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. Now add the marinated chicken pieces into the ghee and fry the chicken. Initially, water starts oozing out of the chicken. So let all the water ooze out of the chicken. So cook the chicken until the whole water evaporates. The whole water from chicken is evaporated right now. So now we have to cook the chicken up to 70%. Chicken is cooked up to 70%, so transfer it to a plate and keep it aside. Now in the same pan, let's add half chopped onion and fry it. If you need a little ghee, you can add it. Fry this onion until it's golden brown. Onion is fried now guys, so let's add the masala paste we already made and kept. Saute it well and fry the masala for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's add the leftover marination mix if it's available and mix it well. Then let's add salt as needed. Here I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of jaggery. It's totally optional guys. Now let's add the chicken pieces few by few. Mix the chicken pieces with the masala really well. Try not to break the chicken pieces, just turn it around from the edges and cook the chicken for around 8 to 10 minutes or until it absorbs the masala well. And don't forget to stir in between because it might stick to the base. After 10 minutes, the chicken is cooked well and the masalas have absorbed really well. Now garnish it with either coriander leaves or mint leaves and give it one good mix. And you can switch off the flame, and once you switch off the flame, let it sit for around 5 minutes so that it will come to the perfect roast texture. So our chicken ghee roast is ready to serve.